Meet Dwayne Johnson. You've seen the muscles, you've watched the movies. But what most people miss is the super strict daily eating routine he sticks to, all to keep himself on track. So this is how he's eating these days. Dwayne eats 6 meals every day. He eats eggs for breakfast. It comes with meat, like bison or steak. Most days, it's either oatmeal or brown rice cereal, and he usually throws in some fruit too. Dwayne usually goes for papaya, which is his favorite, or sometimes blueberries. His second meal, what he calls lunch, usually happens around 10 or 11. He typically eats something like rice for a complex carb, some chicken breast, and a side of greens. For dinner, he might have fish, chicken, buffalo, or steak, always with a complex carb and a green. If you ask him, his idea of comfort food is definitely a cheeseburger. Sometimes he grabs a double cheeseburger. He's got to have bacon and some avocado on it. At the end of the day, Dwayne usually ends up wanting something sweet like some sugar, cookies, or even a crumb cake. Without a doubt, his priority is being fit for longevity. It started way back when he was a little boy. His dad used to take him to the gym when he was just 5, and he'd tell him, just sit and watch. And that's what he did. When he started lifting weights, his dad was the one who exposed him to the importance of training. So that's just a little bit about what he believes. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, please subscribe to watch more videos like these.